channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to edit transcripts in Google Vids. So guys, if you want to edit any video transcripts, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, here you see that I have a one video with the proper captions and transcripts. Now if I want to edit, so guys, you simply first of all select your project, and there is an option here. You see there is an edit option. When you click here, so here you see there is an option of transcript. So simply click here, and guys, here you see that all your script are shows at your right side. So guys, you are edit with using the transcript, so you trim. Here you see that what's up guys, today I am checking out, and if you want to edit, so you just click and remove. And if you want to edit it, so just click it and edit it. And if you want to click and edit for whole script, so select and click the option of edit. Okay, after that add the new clip, and guys, here you see the option of replace, so you just use the option of replace and replace all your transcript. When you save it, then click the option of saved, and here you can do it. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.